Hello everyone, welcome to the Software Coding Tutorials channel. My name is Tommy. Today I will be showing you how to create a UI that allows you to read text. So I call this a text reader. Okay, so the first step that we need to do is create a group box. So I drag a group box here, just convert it to a panel, then size it to how I like it. Then move it to a desired position, which is the corner of the left screen. Then grab a text box, grab a button, and also grab a rich text box. And then size it to how I want to see it. Okay, and then set this to front. So I bring it to front, then move it to our panel. So I'm going to resize this a little bit so it fits our dialog. Then right click and convert to browse dialog button. Then here I don't need to do anything here, just leave this alone. Then save the design. And I call this text reader, and then save. Okay, so next step is to build. And run to see what it looks like. So notice it doesn't stretch. Okay, so let's go back to application and then set our anchor. So we want to set this anchor to top, left, right, bottom. Same thing with our rich text. We want to do the same thing. And save the design. Then mix the executable. Then run. And you can see that our form now stretches dynamically. Okay, but this of course it's not working yet. Okay, so now we need to follow up by going to VS Code. So the next step is to look at to do a right click and bring up the get property window, and as you can see the ID for our rich text is 1003 and our property says the ID for the text box is 1001. Okay, let's open up VS Code and open up textreader.cpp file and search for rich text. And go to definition, and you can see that it's writing to rich text buffer. Okay, let's go to our on button click event, and this is where when we click on the browse button, it's gonna show a message box. So just comment out this line, then type in set text box the ID of our text box, so it'll be 1001, and then the path that is saved here. Then there's a function called load file into rich text edit, and we just enter 1003 and then pass in the path directly, and what this is going to do is going to read it and then send it to the rich text box. Okay, so let's go back to our UI designer and then recompile the code. And let's run it. I can kill this window. Okay, click on this button and let's choose a text file, so textreader.cpp, and as soon as you do that, you can see that the path is being sent to our text box and the file content is being sent to rich text. And so that's how simple this programming is with our UI designer. Okay, so this is all I have for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Please be sure to press like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. See you next time. Bye for now.